Hi, now that you have your new Poly Studio, we need to get it set up. So we're going to go ahead and click here to download the companion software. It's going to redirect us to this page. Whether you have a Windows or Mac device, you're going to click on the respective device and it's going to download the companion software. Once completely downloaded, you're going to be able to see this application here, which you will double click, and it'll pull up something looking very similar to this. If you are not seeing the Polycom Studio, we're going to need to take both the cables that come inside the box, which one will be power, and the power will plug into the back left-hand side of the Poly Studio, and then the USB cable, which will plug in on the right. The USB-C is what plugs into the Poly Studio, and then the USB-A is what plugs into the actual laptop. Once plugged in correctly, you will be able to see this Poly Studio. We're going to go ahead and double click. Keeping the username the same as admin, I'm going to go ahead and type in the password, which is going to be polycom12shift34. And then, so that's going to be hashtag money sign there. So I'm going to go ahead and type it again one more time. And then we're going to create a new password. I'm going to make it 123, and I'm just going to keep it simple. It's best just to keep it 123 here, but you do have the option if you want to name it something else. I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm. From here, we're going to select the United States. It does by default United States, so I can go ahead and click next. And then here, our device name, we're going to use the title phrase kind of thing of school, poly, and then the actual room number. So if I'm going to go ahead and give an example here, underscore poly, and then room 103. So this would be how we could title it. So our school, poly, and then the room number. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next here. We can go ahead and hit next on these as well. And then we're going to hit finish now that we have completed. So from here, we're very close. We have one last step. It's probably one of the most important steps that we have. I'm going to go ahead and hit admin settings. And then we're going to go, again, admin settings right here. Our password that we reset to that 123. I'm going to go ahead and hit sign in. We're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and hit lab feature. And then we're going to presenter mode. We're going to turn that on. Again, configuration is saved successfully. This is probably the most important piece here. But now we have successfully set up our Poly Studio, and we can go ahead and run through Zoom, Google Meets, or whatever video conferencing website you're using. Thank you very much.